Greetings. In the month of April, on the 24th, just like past years, in the country, the 12th Panchayati Raj Day was celebrated, and we were very happy about one thing, that just like previous years, respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has, even during the Corona times, in the digital format, participated in this function. He has, while addressing all the representatives of the panchayats of our nation, appreciated all the works done by them and showed faith in them. We and all of you know this very well, that today in all villages, to spread the spirit of democracy, the elected representatives, who all are more than 41 lakh, have a very important role to play. Today, in all the villages, all the panchayats, the Gram Panchayat Vikas Yojana is being developed. And in that, as per the Constitution, the 29 topics which have been transferred to it, the development works related to them, while including them all, central government and state government, and in many issues, while including their own revenue reserves, the execution of those policies is being done in all the panchayats. We all have seen this and have felt this, that the execution of the development works, and especially during emergency times, by bringing all the villagers together, while taking their support, the passion to tread along, which the panchayats have shown, it is worthy of appreciation. This year, our respected Prime Minister ji has inaugurated the Swamitva Yojana in the whole country. You all would remember that last year, on the 24th of April, he had inaugurated the pilot project of the Swamitva Yojana. Swamitva Yojana's execution during the pilot project phase was done in the 6 states of the country: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. And later, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh were also included in this. In this policy, we got the vital support of all the people involved, the central government and state government's various agencies, along with the Survey of India, the Revenue Department of state governments, and Panchayati Raj Department, along with other institutions and Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Defence Ministry, Niti Aayog. We got their full support as well. And because of all this, in the very first step of the Yojana, in the first year itself, till now, residents which are more than 7 lakh, by completing the work of survey, they have been given the details of their village properties, especially the houses situated in the residential areas, along with property cards were given to them. In this property card, the residential area of the village, and especially their plot, the full details of this In how much area is it spread in total? How much built up area is there? What is the name of the house owner? All these details are included in that Swamitva card, in that property card. Apart from this, all of this work of this survey is being completed by using the most modern techniques. And you know this very well, that under the old techniques, in which the Lekhpal or the Patwari officer, the Jarib was used, in it many a times a particular place to be measured properly used to take the whole day's time, and many a times the fixed point which used to be there to go ahead from that point and reach the land area to be measured, time was wasted, and many a times its accuracy, that too, was not correct. A difference of 2 to 3 feet was a usual regular thing. But now, in villages on the given date, when in your presence, by the officers of the Revenue Department and the Panchayati Raj Department, the Chuna marking is done. And drone photography is also done. Then the map which gets ready, it is made with an accuracy of up to 5 centimeters, and it is twice. First, the draft map 1 in villages, and through the draft map 2 is kept in front of you, so that if there is any discrepancy in it at the area level, then by the help of ground truthing method, in front of all of you, the discrepancy can be solved right there. By this method, the chances of a dispute are reduced. And after the completion of the whole process, the Revenue Department, as per the provisions of the State Code of the Revenue Department, distributes this Swamitva card to all of you. We are hopeful that till the year 2024-25, all the residents of all the states in the country will be distributed this Swamitva card in time once it is completed. This will be a historic work, and after the receipt of this property card, you all will, regarding your house, your ancestral house, will have a full proof as per law, as per rules, recognized and registered. You will receive a proper document which will be accepted in the banks as well. It will be recognized for all the governmental works. It will be accepted in the panchayat. And according to that document, you will, just like the cities, if the need arises, be able to take a loan against that property of yours as a collateral. This map, which is being made ready, this will be used in the developmental works of villages and to identify the same and what will be its usage, what is to be fixed, where a street light is required, where is there an empty ground which can be better used. All of this arrangement will be able to be done by the villagers very easily. No one will be left out in this. This will be a very big achievement, and by this, all the people will get the proof for their ancestral homes, their residential homes, which will be full proof. A final document will be made available, upon whose basis they can go to any court, any institution, in front of any officer. They can give a proof of their own rights. And after this, by any person whatsoever, even if he be an influential man, he will not be able to illegally seize their lands, and the probability of this will reduce by a lot. In the rural areas, especially for those belonging to the weaker sections, this will not be less than a blessing. So again, I would like to thank our respected Prime Minister Ji, who has, in the previous 7 years, for the 6th time, on the National Panchayati Raj Day, taken part and, by participating in this, has motivated all the lakhs of people's representatives of the panchayats and the crores of people living in the rural areas. He showed them the right path. He motivated them, and for the future gave us a new outline, a new model. Its structure has been given to all of us. Friends, now it is upon us that how will we make ourselves strong and efficient in facing the challenges of the future. And I have complete faith that when we will get the support of everyone associated, then we will be able to face any challenge in the future successfully. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.